Hello, welcome to my channel. Anyways, I'm gonna teach you how excuse me. So I'm gonna teach you how to do emoji cat, my bestie's way and my way, okay? So we're going with my way first. So my way is to pick any heart here. Yeah, anything. Like anything. So this is my way. I'm just gonna make it. It's a bit laggy because it's my dad's phone. My bestie's way is just the same as the ears. So let's get back to the let's get back to the head. My bestie's way is just the same, but yeah. Okay, we're gonna do my bestie's eyes. My bestie's yeah. This is how my bestie makes her eyes. Emoji cat eyes. Wait. Like that. I mean, it's not ugly. But yeah. This is my way of making eyes. I get this. Oh, I forgot. I forgot. There we go. Now can you see it? Now. And then we just pick any here. What is my eye color again? I forgot. And then we add some eyelashes for fun. There we go. Add eyelashes if you're a girl. Wait. Add 8. There we go. And then the way my bestie makes the mouth is like this. I mean, I make it that too, but I make it like this.